what? Guess what? Guess what? Let me turn the camera. I literally only watered this bad boy. Hey guys, I had to come to you guys really quick. Listen, if you are looking for a low maintenance house plant and you have literally the blackest thumb or the brownest thumb on the earth, okay? This right here, I thought that I was in love with my snake plants and in my pothos because they are low maintenance to me. And I've, done some damage, and a lot of them are RIPing, a lot of plants that I've tried. But through trial and error and getting to know plants, I find that certain ones are the ones that I love. I love that tropical look, that real robust green look. I love it. And I love hardy looking leaves. So this right here is a ZZ plant. If you're new to the plant community, new to being a plant mom or dad, this is a ZZ plant. I got this from Lowe's about 4 months ago. And guess what? Guess what? Let me turn the camera. I literally only watered this bad boy 2 times. If that's not low maintenance for you, I don't know what is. This is the truth. I can't wait to get more and place them in different places. I want that tropical oasis theme around my home. But yeah, this is the plant you want if you are looking for something that is low maintenance. It is very hardy. The leaves, you see the leaves on those? Like, look how shiny and pretty. Like, do you see that? Like, that is a gorgeous plant. I think I paid like $11.98 or something like that for it at Lowe's, and I repotted it maybe a couple weeks after I got it. I didn't even take any time. I mean, I didn't rush. I took my time to repot it, and it's still thriving, and it is just growing. It is just growing. And I found out it has another whole, look, coming up. And these are the type of plants that hold water in their roots. So that's why they don't need to be watered much. They take in water and release it as the plant needs it. So, plant mom tip, get you a ZZ plant. Find you a baby one or get you a bigger one. Now, I'm not sure. They seem to be okay growers. Not too slow, but not too fast. But yeah, for this, I want to say it may have grown about 3 or 4 inches in a couple months. So that's pretty good. I want to say it was probably about like right here when I got it. I'll see if I can find that video and link it when I repotted this ZZ plant. I'll link it below. If I forget, remind me. So yeah, guys, this is what you want. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope that if you are new to the channel that you will join the family by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And guys, if there's nothing else, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators.